Hi, everyone. This week, we will have a focus word, a word that we will focus on each day and connect to new words as we learn new things. This week's focus word is proud. Listen to me say that word one more time. Proud. Now, I want you to say the word. Nice work. And how many syllables is in the word proud? Let's clap that out together. Proud. That's right. Proud has one syllable. And what is the first sound that you hear in the word proud? Proud. That's right. The letter P. P makes the P sound. And what is the last sound that you hear in proud? That's right. The letter D makes the D sound. Nice work, friends. Creating circle maps for our words will help us learn more and more about words. It will make learning new words easy and fun. So let's take out a piece of paper and something to write with, and we'll draw two circles, one large circle and one small circle. And in the center, write the focus word, proud. What do you think of when you hear the word proud? What does it mean to be proud? When I think of the word proud, I think of to be happy with your work. And what's an example of proud? Well, I know I feel proud when I teach my students new words. All right, friends, now it's time to get to our article a day. This week, we will learn all about important Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders. Today, we will read an article titled Norah Jones. We will hear some words such as Indian. What is Indian? Indian is someone from India. India is in Asia. Therefore, Indian Americans are Asian Americans. And Asian Americans live here in the United States of America, the USA. Let's start by looking at this picture. Who do you see? I see Norah Jones. Remember, friends, I will read this article 2 times, so listen carefully because afterwards we will take out our book of knowledge and write or draw one thing we have learned to share with our class. So let's begin at the top of the page. Norah Jones loves jazz music. She is a half Indian singer. Norah Jones moved to New York City to become a musician and singer. So, who is Norah Jones? We can always use this sentence stem to help answer the question. Norah Jones is a, well, let's go back to the story. Norah Jones moved to New York City to become a musician and singer. That's right. Norah Jones is a musician and singer. She met other musicians who played jazz there. She started making music with these new friends. They inspired her to write her own album. Inspired. What could that mean? That's right. Inspired is when you get an idea to do something. You guys inspire me every day. Well, it was a big success. That's right. It won many awards. People love to listen to her songs. Yes. And if you would like to listen to one of her songs, click here. So, Norah Jones is feeling proud. Yes, as she should. Why is she feeling proud? That's right, because her music won many awards. She is a big success. All right, friends, let's read that one more time. Norah Jones loves jazz music. She is a half Indian singer. Norah Jones moved to New York City to become a musician and singer. She met other musicians who played jazz there. She started making music with these new friends. They inspired her to write her own album. It was a big success. It won many awards. People love to listen to her songs. All right, friends, now it's time to take out our book of knowledge. You can grab your notebooks or a piece of paper and something to write with. I will take out our class book of knowledge, and we will write or draw one thing you learned to share with our class. Let's go to week 3, day 1. The task is to draw or write one thing you learned about Norah Jones. So I'm going to start by drawing Norah Jones. And Norah is a musician, right? She plays jazz music, and she also plays a piano. So I'm going to draw a piano. She is a singer as well. So I'm going to draw some musical notes coming out of her mouth. And when I'm done with my drawing, I can label my picture. So this is a picture of Norah Jones. How do we spell Norah Jones? If you don't know, it's in the title of the article we just read. Norah Jones. And this is a picture of a piano. How do we spell piano? What's that first sound we hear? Piano. Just like in proud. That's right. The first sound is the letter P. P. And no. And when I'm done with my drawing and labeling my picture, it's time for me to write my sentence. So, what did we learn about Norah? We learned that she is a half Indian. And how do we spell Indian? Check your word banks. What's that first sound we hear? Eh. What letter makes the eh sound? That's right, the letter I. She is a half Indian singer. And how do we spell singer? What's that first sound? That's right, the letter S. Singer. What's that last sound we hear? That's right, the letter R. She's a half Indian singer, and, which we know connects to things, and musician. All right, friends, can you help me read my sentence? She is a half Indian singer and musician. All right, now it's your turn. I can't wait to read your sentences.